up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 42 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our dear friends at DeAgostini. Right, what have we got for you this week? We've got the Shelby story there, the 2001 Mustang GT from Bullet. Iconic. Dynamic improvements there on the range over the years. This is what we're doing today, nice and easy. We put it on the other inner wheel arch fender, folks. So that's what we're up to today. So you'll need your chassis section that we've been working on. Okay, folks? This is Paul Newman, the actor, the racing driver. Very few people remember that Paul Newman was an avid racing fan and did a lot of racing, and he also had the Newman Haas Indy car team as well with Gene Haas. So yes, folks, iconic actor, and yeah, he loved his motors. And there he is there, bless him, visited Ferrari's base at Maranello in Italy, the man himself. My mum had such a huge crush on Paul Newman, bless her. Yeah, he couldn't do no wrong in her eyes. Watched all his films. NASCAR there, the pride of America. Yes, this is iconic sport out there, and I wish it had a bit more of a following in the UK, because it is stunning motorsport, and these guys have got nerves of steel gunning around like they do. And it's how the cars have changed over the years now as well. So that's a bit there about NASCAR, folks. So we'll have a little flicky grins back, and we can show you what we're going to be putting together today, folks. Like I said, it's nice and easy, this issue, folks. We're literally just putting a wheel arch on. So grab the part. I'll open this, and then I'll get the chassis on the bench, and we'll do a bit of attaching. Right, we'll just bring the chassis in, and we'll attach this piece on for you, folks, okay? So here's what we've been up to. We've been putting the wheels on and building this up over the last few issues, folks, okay? I just want to turn that round and orientate that correctly so you can see what I'm up to. And we are literally just putting this fender on these 3 posts there, okay? So I tend to put the centre one on. It will just drop into place, and then click the front one in, okay? And then I'll just orientate that so that you can see what I'm doing. Put a little bit of oil on the thread there, and we're coming into the centre hole there. And I just want to attach that in place. We're going into die cast, that's why I've got the oil on there, folks, okay? Grab the next screw, which is going in here. A little bit of oil on the end. Straight in. Like so. And then I can spin her around. It's the beauty of it being on wheels now, folks. It's so much easier to move about. Grab the other screw, like so. We'll put a bit of oil on her and pop that in place. And then I'll just lean on that with my hand, and we're going into this hole here. Like that. Perfect. And that is that rear fender in place. Go around, check your screws are tight, be double sure, and that is what you're going to end up with, folks. Pair of fenders are now in place on the rear chassis, and that's beginning to take shape now, folks. So that's what you're going to end up with your Mustang. There's the little Cobra there. That will live in a bag shortly, but that lets you see where we're at with her, okay? So remember, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to DeAgostini's website following this link. There's a clickable version in the description. Head over there and take out a subscription to this beautiful, iconic Partwork. It is stunning. It really is. And it's 1/6 scale. Also, if you could help me out by clicking a little Festa in the corner there and subscribing to this YouTube channel, I would massively appreciate it. And also ring the bell whilst you're there, and you'll be notified of future content. So until then, Thank you for keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.